All right, keep an eye on this little white SUV right here. Just got done with a Denny's breakfast and was driving home. And have you ever been behind somebody and you know they're going to do something? You know, years of experience at driving, you know, you can spot them. So he's stopped at this traffic signal here. No big deal, right? Now check this out. Green light means go. Accelerates up. See the red light right there? You just can't fix stupid in this day and age. You know, people are going to expect the unexpected. They're going to do stupid stuff. They got too many things going on in their mind. So, all right. I got some more videos if you want to see them. Check this out.
Stupid monkey. Stupid monkey. Stupid monkey.